Hi, and welcome to OurChurch.com's video tutorial series on WordPress. And on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how by using the Advanced Access Manager plugin, you can create and configure new roles. So once you're logged into the dashboard or the back end of your website, scroll down and hover over the AAM item in your menu and click on Access Control. This will bring you to a page that in the bottom right-hand part of the page is the Control Manager. And here we want to make sure that Roles is selected, so we'll click on that or make sure it's in blue, and then click on the plus icon to add a new role. Then there will be a pop-up window that appears, and you can type in the name of the role that you'll be creating, and it can be up to 20 characters long and needs to be either alpha or numeric characters. So we'll title this Test Manager and then select the role's capabilities. And you can select any of these, but for this particular tutorial, we're going to select Administrator. And then click on Add New Role. So at this point, we want to configure some of the abilities of this particular role that was just created. So find it in the list of roles and then select the settings icon and click on that button, and this will bring up the ability for you to be able to configure the specifics of this particular role. So at this point, whenever you create a new role, there's a few things that you want to make sure that you restrict the capability of them doing, because this will prevent you from running into problems in the future. So click on Capability, and then you'll be, when you're in the back end here, you'll see that there are tons of different things that you can configure with this. So let's go ahead and select for it to display 100 of these. There are just so many things that you can choose here. But 3 things that you want to make sure that you don't give them the capability or don't give this role the capability to do. The first is you want to make sure that level 10 is not selected. You also want to scroll down, and where it says delete users, make sure that's not selected. And also where it says remove users, you want to make sure that's not selected. And so by unchecking those boxes, that will keep that particular user from the possibility of allowing them to remove users, including yourself or others in the future. And this may not be an intentional thing that they would do, but we just want to prevent it from happening. And once you do that, go ahead and click on Save, and that will save the settings for that particular role. So that is how you create and configure roles. Of course, there's so many different options that you have when creating a new role and limiting their capabilities or giving them the ability to do certain things, but too many to go over in this tutorial. So please come back and watch more video tutorials so we can help you accomplish your mission online.